Hi scholars! Here is how you can easily submit your financial aid award letter for your deliverables. Let's get started. Before we begin, it is important that you can identify what your financial aid award letter looks like. Your financial aid award letter may come in different forms. Therefore, the best way to verify that you are viewing the correct form is by assuring that your document contains the following. First, verify that you are viewing the correct financial aid award letter by checking that the correct year is listed at the top. This will vary depending on the academic year that is being requested. If you are unsure which academic year is being requested, refer to your deliverables checklist. Next, your award letter must include a list of all financial aid that you've been offered. This includes, but is not limited to, grants, scholarships, and loans. Additionally, your award letter should list the amount of money that has been offered next to each form of aid. And lastly, your award letter must show the status of each offered form of aid, meaning it must show whether each item has been accepted or declined. Keep in mind that even if you declined any of the offered forms of aid, your award letter must still reflect the status of your financial aid. To view your financial aid award letter, first visit your school website and log in to your student portal. Once you are logged in, look for the section dedicated to financial aid details. Here, you should be able to find your financial aid award letter. It may be labeled as award summary or financial aid offer. However, keep in mind that the exact details and titles might vary depending on your school. If you have any trouble finding your award letter, don't hesitate to call your school's financial aid office for assistance. They are there to help. Next, you may screenshot and save your image. Be sure to save it using the following format: last name, comma, first name, comma, FAA, comma, cohort year. And finally, submit your document to Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out to us if you need any further assistance.